That's right. This is the stunning picture quality that you get with Xiaomi's new QLED TV, Mi TV Q1 75-inch. But first things first, what exactly is QLED? The display panel of a QLED TV is the same as a conventional television, using LCD technology to create a liquid crystal display. However, the LCD itself does not emit light. A light source must be added so that it can emit bright colors. LCD TVs with LED light sources are mainly composed of white LEDs and LCD modules. Xiaomi's QLED TV uses blue LEDs. We've also added a quantum dot layer. This is why it is called QLED, but what exactly does this do? White light is composed of the three primary colors, red, green, and blue. Quantum dots are inorganic nanocrystals that emit pure colored light upon receiving light stimulation. Quantum dots of different sizes emit light of different colors. Together, with the blue light of the backlight, they form the three primary colors. Because the light emitted by the quantum dots is very pure, it can produce a better color gamut, reaching NTSC 100%. Whereas the LED backplane of an ordinary LCD TV directly displays white light and then emits it to the LCD panel. That means it is difficult for an ordinary LCD TV to achieve the same color quality as a QLED. Usually, they can only reach 72% NTSC color gamut. Most LED LCD TVs have another obvious drawback: the uneven brightness of the black background. The Mi TV Q1 75-inch with QLED uses a technology called local dimming. This can improve the picture contrast by dynamically adjusting the brightness of the LED according to the picture. In other words, it can create a purer black that contrasts more clearly with other colors in the visual. The Mi TV Q1 75-inch has many other amazing features, such as a 120Hz refresh rate, MEMC technology, Dolby Vision, and HDR10+. It's time to immerse yourself in a brand new visual experience. It's time to try the Mi TV Q1 75-inch.